Princess in her morning routine. Shahika, 95 fill-up. Look at that! Such a blessed life, right, Millie? Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I got a coconut coffee shake this morning and I'm gonna be making my eggs with mayo and like making an egg salad again, but my dad got me yellow mustard, like French's yellow mustard, because I just love like the vinegar taste. So we're gonna put some mustard and some mayo and some eggs and put it on some crackers and have our coconut coffee shake. And Millie loves to eat eggs, so I'm making one for her also. Princess in her morning routine. She loves the sunshine, playing with her toys. An egg boiling hack, if you were looking for one, lol. I like to put them in the cold water and then bring up the water to boil with the eggs in it, because I was setting them in gently into boiling water before, and well, the first time I did it, and then like they all cracked even though I put them in without cracking them. So I think it's because it like shocked the temperature. So if you bring it up to temperature with the water, you won't have like actual egg floating in your water. The lady that I go to, she makes such a good coconut shake and then puts espresso in it, and this is the girl that has the espresso that's like so strong. So I love this one. All right, I've been editing my first part of my Vietnam vlog all day. I did that for literally 5 hours today, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So if you haven't watched that, make sure you go and watch that, because I love it and I think it's so cool to look back on my trip and just like watch myself like grow and open up, because guys, I was scared as hell being on that trip and like being in a new country and navigating everything. It was such a growth experience for me, and I'm so proud of myself for conquering that and doing it. And it's like crazy to watch myself back then, because I'm like, I feel like a completely different person now because of that experience, which is so amazing to watch. And it's also kind of weird to like watch yourself be in that place. This is how my tattoo is doing. Look how beautiful she is. I feel like she's healing really well. I've been like washing it and make sure it's moisturized. Right now I'm just kind of like letting it air out, but it looks so pretty. Guess what, guys? Instead of my crispy pork and kale, I got cabbage and chicken. That is wild. And I still got an egg and my little sauce. I put some of the rice to the side because I want to be able to like fit all of this here. And sometimes I don't eat all of this. So I'm gonna put my sauce on it, and I got medium spicy instead of little spicy, guys. I'm moving on up. Look at that. It looks delicious. I'm excited. Beautiful morning with a beautiful smoothie bowl. Millie wants it so bad. I give her pieces of the banana and the peanut butter, so she loves it. Good job, CLA. She stops by this smoothie place every day because it's part of our routine to come here. So even on the days that we don't come, she's like, I want to go inside and say hi. Good girl. Guys, okay, today is the day. I got an iced americano, and I'm gonna put our beloved banana milk in it. I'm so excited. So let's drink some of this down. If you don't know what an americano is, it's literally just espresso and water. No sugar or milk. Now I'm gonna put the bit. Oh, shut up. It's so pretty. That's crazy. It's so good. Oh, I love that. The coffee flavor with the banana flavor is so yummy. highly recommend trying this. We finally did it, guys. Alright guys, so I realized I have free will and I can take my motorbike wherever I want. So I'm gonna go check out a couple temples and I'm gonna get gas for the first time. I've never done that. But I also have my camera right here and I tied it up a little bit higher. So we're gonna see what kind of footage we get with driving. Huh? Go over there? Okay. So we have 95 fill up, please. Okay. Thank you. Do you have toilets?
Toilets?
Yeah.
You go over there.
Okay, thank you. guys, be proud of me. I came to the Korean spot that has the cold noodles all by myself. I didn't need GPS. Go off, go queen. I love driving my bike. It's been so much fun now that I'm not like scared and like in the learning phase. I love driving my bike. I love living here, guys. Like living in Chiang Mai, living in Thailand in general makes me so emotional. It's the best thing I've ever done in my entire life, and I'm so grateful. So now I'm gonna eat this banchan and some cold noodles. Radish, cabbage kimchi, green onion, and bean sprouts. I also got Tik-Tok. This thing is huge. And then look at the noodles. Oh my gosh. I'm about to grab. Miss Girl literally went inside here and was sleeping in there whenever I got home. And she missed her mommy. I love her so much. My little girl. Oh my gosh. Millie! My princess. When I was at the temple today, I actually went inside. And that was the first time I went inside. And I just felt so at peace. And I even like knelt down and just like took it all in for a while. I did do a lot of recording and stuff that you guys saw, but I went back inside and I just sat there for like 30 minutes admiring everything and just like feeling the moment. So highly recommend if you're ever here or if you have any Buddhist temples around you. We made it to the dog park. That dog is so big, I don't know. Millie! I know they see you, huh? They want to play. Millie. Look at that! Oh my goodness! She loves Grandpa. This is what she does every time she sees him. Aw, silly. Oh, good surprise, huh? After our long ride on the bike, Mommy took her in her little backpack for the first time. This little crazy weenie. Look, we have our ball. Hey, ready, go. Yay, good job. Come here. Bring it to Grandpa. Oh. You want us to chase you? What are you doing? Oh, she's just so happy. You happy, girl? Good job. Good girl, good girl. Yeah, is Grandpa here? Get some water. Good job. Good girl. Oh. Sick. Oh. Out of breath. Okay, Millie? Millie has a friend now. Oh, yay! Okay. She's gonna sleep good tonight. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at you. You're so pretty. Croissant? Oh, this one's ham cheese. Yeah. And song. Yeah. Oh, hi. This boy wants you so bad. Oh my, are you kissing him now? Really? We're gonna have to talk about this. He's like, yeah, he is. He's trying. Mommy finally learned how to ride with Millie. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, hello. All right, she wants my coffee so bad. But we're at a cafe called the Barista Coffee Roaster, and it's right on the water. It's so pretty, huh? And it's about 10 a.m. so the weather's nice. We tried to leave earlier, but we got here around 9:30. And now we're just chilling. I got a americano with cream. This little backpack is so nice. I've been wearing it on my back, and she's perfectly fine on the bike. So there we go. And I usually connect her leash to something and then give her water. So here we go. She sees a bird, and now she's getting me all dirty because her feet are wet. But we're just gonna chill out here. It's so nice that we can relax in a place like this on a random Friday morning. Such a blessed life, right, Millie? Mwah. Oh my God, Millie. I think this is whipped cream. Millie. I'm gonna put you down. I like a good americano rather than a latte because I don't want so much milk. I like an americano with cream like this. And like a little bit sweet. The cream is so thick. Café, and I got a fruit and veggie salad. And this is, I'm trying this dressing for the first time. It's carrot and lime, so I'm really excited. And then these are fried mushrooms, and they come with sweet chili sauce. And then this is my favorite soda water ever. It's so yum. And then this is a little sando that you can get pressed at 7-Eleven. This one is like spinach and cheese. I've never tried it before, so I'm really excited. So this is lunch today and breakfast because all I had is that coffee. And then we're watching Gilmore Girls. If you're wondering, I did start it over because I now feel comfort watching the show. All right, guys, I just finished my 6th Pilates class of the year so far. And I have a chocolate banana